Okay, well, I'm changing out the turn signal on a 2012 Cascadia up here. You'll notice I've got a LED in here in this truck. Now, most of you that know, on the 2008s through 2017, I believe, Cascadias, these come to the factory with an incandescent bulb in here. And one of the problems with the incandescent bulb is that's also your driving light. And when I got this truck, I blacked it out. I changed out the headlights because on the 2012, these headlights have a clear background. They don't have the black in there. And this is real dirty, so you can't really tell. That's all silver in there and clear. And the problem is, if you run the incandescent light up here in the turn signal, like the factory, it burns these, puts a haze on them, makes them look bad. So when I bought another set of the blackout, I changed over to an LED in this right here. Now, as most of you know, if you change this incandescent light out and put in an LED, like I've done, it makes it blink fast. Gives you a fast blink when you do your turn signals. In itself, not a terrible thing. Sorry about that. I got a phone call and had to stop. But anyway, put this LED in here. I'll be back in up here where it goes. Alright, it's in there. If you replace that with an LED, you get the fast blink when you turn your turn signals on, which, while it's okay for an inspection and it'll pass, I hate the fast blink. It drives me crazy. And one of the things you do to fix that is you can go to maybe Walmart and buy one of those blocks and put it in line somewhere on your turn signal. But the old school way of doing it is to put one of these on it. This is just a little incandescent bulb that I bought a socket for, and I put it in that line right there. And that right there will keep you from having a fast blink. Okay, it's just a simple little bulb. This is actually what I've got in it, the 194s. They're simple. I think I've had it wired up like this for, I don't know, 2 years now. And it's never blown a bulb. And that's how you keep from having a fast blink. You switch over to the LED. And of course, if you switch over to the LED, you won't have any issue with a haze or a burn on the inside of your headlights. So make them last forever that way. And of course, they're brighter and safer in my opinion. Now, the issue with doing it on the front like I've done it, and I didn't think about it until it was too late, since this is also your driving light, this will be on all the time when you're driving. It'll always be on. If you were to do this at your rear on a turn signals, you won't have that issue. It won't be on all the time. It'll only come on when you do your turn signal. And it won't be on all the time when you're driving. But at the time, it seemed like an easy deal. Just remember, if you do this and you do get the fast turn, it will mean you've got a light bulb out somewhere. But don't just check that one and the rears and the one on the side here. You'll have to make sure you check wherever you've got this incandescent, and you can put that anywhere in the series and go anywhere in the frame rail that you know where the turn signal wire is, and do that. But that's how you fix that from having the fast turn and wire that up. I've had several people stop me and see me and say, hey, how do you have an LED in there and not have fast blink? That's it right there. I hope this helps someone. Upgrade to an LED just somewhere in the system. Put you a little incandescent on the turn signal on the right side, and of course you have to do the same thing on the left side. And you're good to go. Thanks.